So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
At least what I did up, your boys back with another video. Shout out to my boy Daylan. He came over, delivered the two black 5-inch exhaust tips. So I'm painting those. I'm gonna put a black first coat on them, then I'm gonna do it red after I sand them a little bit. Car dirty as hell. Don't ignore that. Super dirty because it's been raining. It looks gloomy, but so far stay tuned. Like I said, using this regular paint. There you go. Now I'm gonna go over it. Oh shoot, go over with the same paint I did with the snorkels. So pretty much stay tuned right now, as y'all can see. Looking crisp. Letting them dry a little bit. And I'm just go over them with the red. See how that does. So, all right. Stay tuned. I'm out. And we'll greet you with it. Greatest muffler. Clean. Yes, sir. That's nice. I'm finished and the tips are installed, and I gotta say it looks real good. I got it sticking out about 3-4 inches, red with the carbon, matching the car. Yeah, y'all see. Oh my god, look on the side. There go my buddy. Anyway, on the side they installed, it was about 90 bucks. 90. There they go, looking around. Like I said, that's fire, bro. That's fire. I don't care if it's rough. It looks fire. Only part I was worried about, should have been worried about, is the tip on the side. But you okay? Under it. Oh my god! I'm leaving that in there too. I'm leaving that in there. We real over here. But yeah, there they go, man. There they go. Perfect, man. They match with the carbon in the car perfectly. Get a few pictures real quick, because that looks real good. What? What? Come on. Come on. That dog loves me, bro. I'm shaking a little bit. But yeah, there I go, JJLEE Squad. Stay tuned. Let me edit up these videos. Like I said, man, Be different. We starting something. Who do y'all know got red 5-inch exhaust tips? Let me know something. Anyway, the car is squeaky clean because I just cleaned it up. Like I said, remember to follow me on YouTube, follow me on Snapchat, and Instagram. But yeah, there y'all go, JJLEE 5-inch tips installed on the White Dragon. Come on. Well, I guess I will catch y'all later, man. Share the video, and I'm out of here.